Hi, sweet soul. Welcome to tonight's adventure. Let your body melt into the blankets. Your thoughts float like cotton candy clouds. You're safe now. You're home. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. You're about to go somewhere magical. Now imagine you're curled up on a cozy velvet pillow in your favorite window nook, gazing at the moon. Outside, the stars are twinkling like rock candy crystals, and the night air smells faintly of vanilla and spun sugar. Suddenly, a glittery swirl sparkles around Jessy, the black glitter cat. Her heart-shaped pendant glows like a gumdrop. In a blink, poof, she's whisked away into a glittery vortex of rainbow sparkles and jellybean shooting stars. When Jessy opened her eyes, she's no longer in her window perch. She's standing at the gates of Candy Land. And not just any Candy Land. This place is alive. The grass is made of sour green apple strips. The clouds are fluffy marshmallows with strawberry drizzle. And the candy cane trees sway gently in the breeze. Whoa, Jessy whispers, her cosmic eyes wide. She takes a careful step forward. Squish. The ground is made of pink cotton candy. Each paw step leaves behind little glittery paw prints. Hello, Jessy. A gummy bear Ferris wheel operator waves from a booth made entirely of licorice. Your ride awaits. Jessy hops into a jellybean car and begins her journey deeper into Candyland, passing sugar cookie cottages and chocolate rivers that shimmer under a sherbet sky. As the ride moves slowly, her eyes start to feel heavy. The stars above start to blink slower. Her heart beats softly like a lullaby. And Jessy begins to dream. Inside her dream, floating gently through a world made of candy, magic, and peace. The jellybean car rolled into a gentle stop beside a glittering bridge made of rainbow sprinkles and white chocolate. Jessy stepped out, her cosmic fur shimmering under a cotton candy sky. In front of her stood a shimmering castle with peppermint swirl towers that spun slowly like sleepy lollipops. Icicle-shaped candy canes hung from the arches, glowing with a soft pink light. This was the Peppermint Palace, and Jessy could feel the magic in the air. A pair of marshmallow guards greeted her with slow, sticky salutes. Welcome, Miss Jessy, one of them mumbled in a sleepy puff. The Peppermint Queen has been expecting you. Jessy's eyes sparkled. She padded softly through the peppermint-scented halls, her paws making soft squishes on the gummy tile floors. Glitter drifted from the high ceilings like powdered sugar snow. Everything glowed with a dreamy glow, like midnight mixed with frosting. At the end of the candy corridor, a grand throne made of rock candy sat beneath a chandelier of swirling peppermint discs. On the throne sat the Peppermint Queen, a graceful cat with candy cane striped fur, a crown made of crystallized sugar, and sleepy eyes full of wisdom. Ah, Jessy, the queen purred. You've come at the perfect time. Jessy tilted her head, curious. Our dream kingdom needs your help, the queen said, slowly curling her candy tail. The gumdrop forest has lost its sparkle, and only a cat as magical as you can restore it. Jessy blinked slowly. She didn't feel afraid, just honored. She knew this dream was special, a calling wrapped in frosting. The queen leaned in and whispered a secret spell into Jessy's heart-shaped pendant. It began to glow with a soft golden light warming her chest. Suddenly, sparkles swirled around Jessy again, lifting her into the air. She floated gently, peacefully, on a soft swirl of stardust and sugar. Onward to the gumdrop forest. Jessy floated gently through the twilight sky, cradled in a swirling ribbon of sugar wind. Her pendant sparkled like a golden gumdrop, pulsing softly into the spell from the peppermint queen. Below, the clouds parted, and there it was, the gumdrop forest. Endless rolling hills of soft, bouncy gumdrops in every color you could dream of. Lavender, lemon, bubblegum pink, mint green, and blueberry blue, each one glowing faintly in the moonlight. Candy critters peeked out from behind the gumdrops. Caramel bunnies with licorice ears, jelly foxes with gumdrop noses, and sleepy squirrels made entirely of cinnamon toast. But something was wrong. The sparkle was fading. The colors weren't as bright. The gumdrops drooped slightly, and the once sparkling sky above the forest had turned a foggy shade of gray glitter. Jessy landed softly on a gumdrop hill, her tail flicking with determination. And then suddenly, boom, a burst of glitter rumbled through the clouds above. It wasn't the fun kind. It was the wild, chaotic, emotional glitter, the kind that flies everywhere when you cry while crafting. Jessy narrowed her eyes. This was a glitter storm. She remembered the queen's words. Only you can calm it. Only you can bring back the sparkle. Jessy took a deep breath and looked down at her paws, then up at the sky. She closed her eyes, and she began to purr. But not just any purr. This was a black cat energy healing purr, the kind that vibrates through the soul like a lullaby made of moonlight and melted chocolate. The gumdrop ground began to glow again. The jelly fox twirled, the caramel bunnies wiggled their little butts in joy, and in the sky, the glitter slowed. It stopped spinning so fast. It settled peacefully, like snow made of sparkle. Jessy opened her eyes. The forest shimmered again. The clouds turned pink with peace. Her pendant pulsed a final time, and a trail of sugar stardust lit the path home. The gumdrop animals cheered in slow motion, because this is a dream after all. Jessy smiled softly, curled up on a giant gumdrop pillow, and started to drift deeper into rest. The gumdrop animals waved goodbye as Jessy's sugar pillow lifted her into the sky once more. The stars twinkled softly overhead, shaped like tiny candy hearts. The forest faded beneath her paws, and everything turned soft, warm, and still. She blinked once, twice, and then she was home. Snuggled deep in her favorite blanket, in her cozy sunroom that now glowed with a faint peppermint light. Outside the window, the moon shimmered like a jawbreaker. The breeze smelt faintly of vanilla frosting, and beside her on the pillow was a tiny peppermint crown, just the right size for a glittery black cat. Jessy blinked in surprise, and then purred, soft and low, because deep down, she knew it wasn't just a dream. She really had saved Candyland. She stretched her paws and rolled onto her back, one paw still gently curled around something else, a little red and white candy cane. She clutched it like a stuffed animal, held close to her chest, and with the softest sigh, drifted back into a peaceful sleep. The peppermint crown glimmering beside her like a memory made of sugar and stardust. Because magic, it always finds the one who believes. And Jessy the glitter cat, she is the magic.